Hello, this is Professor Marsh, and this is a brief overview of our CI Learn page, and I'll point out a few of the places that you want to be clicking on and exploring. So here we are looking at the home page. Your landing page will always be the announcements. So right now there's a welcome video that I would like you to each watch, only a couple minutes long. As we go along, there will be new announcements posted. Of course, our syllabus is over here in the course info. If you click on that folder, it opens up and it's a digital document, so you can go down there. In the second section, the learning section, we've got our modules. We'll take a look at that in a second. But first of all, point out that the PowerPoint lectures are in here. These are going to be very helpful for your learning, and I'll post these as we go along week by week. I've got a few of them loaded here already for the first couple chapters. But if we go back to the learning section and the modules, you want to get started, you want to click on this upper section here, the actual title, click. And generally I'll have an introductory video, just very short, 2 minutes or so, to walk you through what you're going to be doing. Now this very first week, we're going to be doing a few more activities than usual, just to get ourselves going, get off the ground. So down here you've got a list of what to do day by day. So Monday, you're going to read the syllabus and complete the syllabus quiz. You're going to sign in to the digital resources website for our textbook. Get started there, see what's going on over there. Then for Tuesday, there's a voice thread activity, other things, and it'll be listed for you like that. If there's any questions that you have that seem like they'll pertain to the rest of the class, you can go down here to the Ask and Answer forum discussion that you can click on to get started there if you want to post some questions. So far, nobody's posted anything. Another very useful thing for you will be the Find Concert folder in our resources section. As the syllabus states, each student is required to go attend a classical concert of some sort during the semester and write a report about that. So in the Find Concerts section, I've posted a document. I'll let you open it up on your own. That lists all the concerts that I was able to find before the semester started, and that will be most of them. These get planned way in advance, so there won't be a lot of additions to this list. So my advice is go on there, search out a concert, make a plan for it, plan it into your weekend, buy tickets, and just go ahead and do that. And then there's the usual kinds of things, the email tool. If you need to email myself or the class as a whole, you've got those things down there. The project guide folder is very important. Also here in resources, the project guides. This contains a lot of documents that I've made for you to help you with your research paper, like this one. And here's the possible research paper topics. There's a due date for picking a research topic. That date appears in the syllabus. The guidelines for the public concert report, writing rubric for research papers, and a couple of sample concert reports from previous students are in this folder here, if that might be of help to you. The discussion board is here in the learning module. We'll be using that from time to time, and the groups folder will eventually start using that stuff. So also I'd like to take you to the website for our publisher. Looks like this, W.W. Norton and Company. Now the very first time you go here, you'll need to register your access code. I've already done that, but when I click on that, of course, you'll need to register your email address also. I'll put in my passcode here, password. So once you enter your password, it logs you in, and there's a couple of nice things here. If you want to listen to the entire piece of music that's referenced in a chapter, you go to the playlists, and they're organized by chapters. If we jump ahead to, let's say this chapter 18 about the Renaissance Mass, it's got several pieces of music here. If you click on any one of them, it'll start to play the audio. Like that. When you want to close out of it, just close the X here. And for some things, there's an interactive listening guide, which are really helpful for students. You could click that there. You can also get into the interactive listening guides by clicking this tile. And at some point, you'll need to select your student set, either before you start a quiz or these listening guides. So up here, this yellow panel here, I'm teaching 2 sections of this class, so we would click, for you guys, we would click the online section, and that code is, the student set number is 18013. So once I click on there, we're in there, and that will let you, that will send your quiz results to myself, the instructor. And then you can click on these things to get started on them. We won't do that for right now. To go back to the main page, click on the upper left, Digital Resources. The important chapter quizzes are here. You click on that, it'll take you to the chapter quizzes. Also, the ebook, the panel right over here, that launches you right into the ebook, which is a nice way to deal with this. For now, let's click on a chapter quiz. We see that some of them have due dates next to them already. And we'll just launch a sample quiz here. Takes a few seconds to get started. So this is my instructor view, but I can click on this and we'll get the same view that students are going to look at. So it tells you a couple different things. For this quiz, you're going to answer at least 20 questions. And this is kind of fun because you can bet points, basically, depending on how confident you are about your answer. And the best way to learn about that is click on this thing where it says Show the Inquisitive Quick Start Video. I would like all of you to do that. There it is. It walks you through how to do that. And you always have a confidence slider up here in the upper right-hand corner. And you can slide this back and forth depending on the confidence in your answer, and it adjusts how many points you want to bet. Once you do one quiz, you'll see how it works, and it'll make a lot of sense. It'll be very easy. So that's a quick little tour of both the Digital Resources webpage and our home page over here. So now you know where a few of these things are. Every Monday morning, you'll want to log into the module section and see what the week's assignments are going to be. I will be posting these week by week, so you're all set for week 1 there. All right, good luck. Let me know if you run into any severe problems.